Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is a miniature tutorial on getting started with the pedal. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look inside the piano. You see all these black things? Those are called dampers. They're called dampers because they dampen the sound when they go back on the strings. Okay? So when we put the pedal on, it lifts all of those dampers and allows the sound to echo. So this is just going to be a very short, quick tutorial on how to get started with it. So for this example, I'm going to use Chopin's Nocturne in E flat. Before I get to the pedaling portion, I just want you to see in there how the dampers stay up. If my hands stay down on the keys, the dampers are going to stay up, all right? So I'm playing this nice and legato. I press the next note and then I release the previous. All right? But the left hand is a little more complicated. Sounds a little choppy, even if I'm joining the top part together. So that's where the pedal's going to come in. So what we'll do is we're going to allow the pedal to get all those dampers up. Also gives a nice color. Rings a little bit more, gets more overtones, makes it a little prettier. So I'm going to revise the camera here and you'll get to see the coordination of my hands and the dampers first, and then I'll show you how it works with the foot. So what I like to do when I first teach pedaling is do what's called rhythmic pedaling. That means the pedal's going to go off and on with a certain note value. So for this example, we're going to use 16th notes. The pedal will go on and off in the increment of a 16th note. So what it's going to happen is when we're on the beat, there's 4 beats here, we're on the number of the beat, beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4. The foot is going to come up and then it's going to go right back down in the next 16th note increment. So it's going to feel like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let me do that a little more quickly. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Then when you get that a little more secure, you can go a little more quickly. You don't have to feel it so rhythmically. Basically, you go up as your hands are going down. And if you're listening carefully, it sounds kind of like a hiccup, the timing of it. So let me show you now my foot. All right, so here's part 2 of the mini pedaling lesson. You're going to use your right foot. So you grab that pedal. So you don't want to have it like this. You see how I'm trying to use my toes. You want that big bone to be what you're using, and you're gripping it. So I'm going to overdo it, okay? My grand piano has quite a sturdy and stiff pedal. If you are on a grand piano, it's going to feel more difficult. Uprights feel a little easier, and digital pianos are just simulating, but you want to get the same timing, all right? So we're going to do the exact same thing. Hands down, foot up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then once you get a little more advanced, you can just make sure that you're changing it right after the beat. Thank you very much for watching this short video on pedaling. I hope that it helped you get started with pedaling. There's a lot more to it than what I just showed you. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, if you found it really helped you, you can send me a donation on PayPal. And if you watched any of my videos before, you know I really love knowing where you're from. So please leave that information for me in the comments. And also let me know if this helped you out. And as always, thank you for watching.